If you could throw or host the ultimate party, what would the theme be and who would be on your guest list? One more time. Okay. So if you could throw or host the ultimate party, what would the theme be and who would be on your guest list?
My party would be a welcoming party because this party is not just like a welcoming. It will signifies and represents the whole Pasig. And my guest list will be, of course, the Pasigueños, but not only the Pasigueños, but all the universe here. Because I want you to show that this party is about representing the vision of Pasig, which is progress while preserving our nature. Because Pasig is not just a center of commerce, but a center of dynamic people. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Candidate number 6, Kapitana Alma de la Cruz. Welcoming party.
Oh, I love that. Siguro mag-uuma na lang ako ng
Water.
Sa Sharon tayo. Kasi masarap mga lutuin dito sa Pasig. Hindi po natin mga kapanin dito sa Pasig. Masasarap din. Titikman natin yan. Alright, I think we are ready for our next candidate to join us right here. Let me call on candidate number 1, Bagong Ilog, Alexandra Eugenio.
Congratulations for bagging so many awards tonight. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling quite nervous, but I'm very much excited.
Okay, so are you ready for your question? Your question will be coming from Miss Aramina.
Hello, good evening, Alessandra. Here's my question. What's your idea of a perfect, carefree day?
My idea of a perfect every day is just being yourself, just going with the flow with everything that you do. And what I've learned in my life is that you should always go with the flow in order to have a happy life. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes.
Like the Pasig River. Go with the flow.
Just right away.
Diba? Hindi
Go with
kaya-
the current.
Of course. Face
May
the
current bus
challenge.
sa Pasig River. Baka buni-buni ko lang.
Ay, konti lang. Para makagalaw na ng konti. Pero,
Swim with the fishes.
pwede. Diba? Malinis naman ang Pasig River. Alright, up next, let us call on candidate number 15, San Miguel, Priscilla K. Huevas.
Hi. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm good. I'm actually happy that I've been nervous.
Natural
It's
eh.
normal.
Yes. And of course, your question will be coming from Honorable Leonardo A. Sabini.
Hello, Miss San Miguel. You're so beautiful.
Thank you so much.
This is your question. How do you handle pressure or stressful situations in your life?
Every day we encounter different circumstances and problems in life, different pressures and doubts. The way I handle them is I actually think the thing that makes me happy. I actually always think and to look positively and to every negative things of our lives, because no matter what happened, we should always move forward and be happy and stay positive. Thank you.
If there's one thing you can control, it's your thoughts.
That is right. So happy thoughts now.
Yes, positive thoughts.
Think positive. Alright, great job, Miss San Miguel. Up next, let us call candidate number 11, Pinagbuhatan, Alexandra Tan. Hello. Alexandra, anong feeling na ikaw ang nilapitan at hinatak ni Johannes kanina? Parang mangawitan.
Actually, I'm surprised because I did not expect it, but thank you for the opportunity of dancing in front of so many people. it's not really my forte.
All right, perfect. You did fantastic. You look glorious.
Yes. And are you ready for your question? Your question will be coming from attorney Christian Sia.
Hi, Andrea.
Good evening, Andrea.
Look beautiful tonight.
Thank you so much.
Right, so my question for you is, who is your biggest role model and how has this person influenced your life?
You know, the biggest role model in my life is my mom. Because we have faced so many circumstances in life together. And I came from a broken family, and that made me stronger and capable of things I thought I couldn't. But now I'm standing in front of you today, confident with the help of my mom. Thank you.
And to all the moms.
Ito talaga yung confidence na binibigay ng isang ina. Thank you so much for the love and for the confidence that you're giving. Candidate number 11, Pinagbuhatan Alexandria Dan. Up next, we have candidate number 7, Manggahan, Eileen and Anne Sandila.
Hello, candidate number 7. Sino naman ang mga kasama mo tonight? Ayun.
And yung kapatid
Oh. Hi, boy.
Sweet boyfriend na siya, guys. FYI. Alright, now for your question, we're going to be asking Dr. Joseph Songo to give us the question.
Eileen, this is my question. If you could live in any time period, past or future, which one would you choose and why?
Can you repeat the question?
If you could live in any time period, past or future, which one would you choose and why?
I would choose now. I live now because I believe that I live with a purpose right now. That's why I'm standing here. I'm standing here in front of all of you because I have a purpose. Raising awareness for mental health, just like my advocacy. My purpose is raising awareness for mental health, and now I'm using this for fostering open conversation and supporting those who need it most. And I know that this title will empower me to make a real differences in the lives of others, creating a ripple effect of healing, hope, and strength. And we can have a better future when every voice is heard, every person is supported.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7.
Alright, Eileen.
She wanted to live the moment.
Live it the now. That is what she chooses. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it this time for our next candidate. Candidate number 8, Maybunga. Sophia Chan.
Hello there. How was the whole preparation?
Well, the whole preparation is definitely fulfilling. Seeing the support not only of my family, but of the whole
Nandiyan silang lahat. So, your question will be coming from Mr. Jed Dakar.
Hi, Sophia.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Alright, so here's my question. If you were a superhero, what would your superpower be? And how would you use it to spread joy?
Well, if I were to be a superhero, the power that I will choose is the power of healing. For I believe that in a world full of discrimination, hatred, and anger, I believe that we have the power to heal other people. Then we can not only heal that person's wounds, but we can touch the hearts of each and every one that that person talks to or interacts with. I believe that we are living in a society wherein there are people who would try to bring you down, but when times come that there will be healing for you and that there will be people who will support you, then I believe that if you were to foster healing within each and every one, then we will live in a universe where peace
Because wala na yung mga subject sa
Hours is okay.
Wala na yung powers. Thank you so much, Amir, for the meeting. Alright. Let us now go to candidate number 3, Panyogan Marisa Tanamisa. Hi, Marisa. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling grateful and happy right now because I know that I have my family and my friends with me right now supporting me. Thank you.
Yes. Alright, keep that feeling going on as we ask you your question. And this time it's going to be coming from Congresswoman Rochelle Singson.
Good evening, Maricel.
Good evening.
My question is, how do you define success and what is your ultimate goal in life?
I define success as the first step you take the door, because the door is a opportunity for you to improve yourselves. And my goal in life is to be an inspiration to everyone, as someone who is battle with pickers and a lot of imperfection in life. I want women to aspire me to be who they are and to strive for the better, because we women are the strength and we can make a better universe and Philippines for the better citizens. Thank you.
There you have it.
Thank you so much.
Personal definition of success. What she wants to be. An inspiration. That is. Thank you, Panyogan. Up next we have candidate number 4, De La Paz, Mariel Abella.
Sultry in red.
True that. Looking beautiful, Mariel.
Okay, are you ready for your question? Your question will be coming from architect Shamsi Sursuri. Hello.
Hi, Miss Shamsi.
Congratulations. Thank you so much. Okay, so here's your question. What's your go-to song when you feel sad? And why does it lift your spirits? Again, what is your go-to song when you feel sad? And why does it lift your spirits?
My go-to song is The Time of My Life from Black Eyed Peas, because whenever I'm sad, I always think that everything happens for a reason. Let's just enjoy whatever that we may encounter along the way, because all throughout the day and at the end of the day, there will be a reason why it happened, and at the end, it will be all worth it. Thank you.
Candidate number 4, Ariel Maria Mendelas. Ikaw, ano nga song mo kapag enjoy ka lang siya?
But you know what? Philippines is #1 now sa isang survey. We are #1 in the whole world who listens to the music.
May hindi talaga tayo. Marami magaling na. Kaya marami magaling kumanta rin. Kasi mahilig makinig ka ng
Karaoke pa lang eh. Kahit ayaw mo makinig, naririnig mo sa kapitbahay.
Yun na. But I love it that we share the love for music. Up next we have candidate number 17, Santolan, Gwen Sigrid Pedera. Hi Gwen. All right, grab that microphone. How are you feeling? Feeling confident already and comfortable?
I think I'm feeling fine. I want to go to the restroom because I had a lot of water before going upstairs. Aside from that, I'm feeling confident.
Understandable. Alright. Okay, so but you have to answer this question first. Let me call to ask you your question, Miss Ana Mina.
Good evening,
Good
Gwen.
evening, Miss Ara.
Hello, my beautiful kabarangay.
Yes.
Here's my question. What's the one thing that never fails to make you laugh, no matter how tough your day is?
I think one of the things that makes me laugh is my family. Whenever I'm feeling down, whenever I'm feeling sad or unmotivated, I just look at my family and they will tell me jokes. They will tickle me. We are a very close family. So I am blessed to have this kind of life.
And I want to be that someone to the universe as well. I want to spread joy, hope, inspiration to the people so that when they are feeling down, I can motivate them and spread happiness to the world and to the universe. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Gwen, yung family. Siya siguro na...
Mahilig mangiliti. Sino dito?
Ayun ang mga kapamilya. Mamaya po pakiliti rin po ako. Sabi niya may tickling na nangyayari.
Oo.
Thank you so much, Gwen. Alright, we are down to our last question. Ladies and gentlemen, so let us call on candidate number 9, Orango. Candidate Bernardo.
Hello, Miss Orango. Nakaka-pressure ba waiting there? Habang nakikinig sa lahat ng answer ng other candidates here. Yes.
Because it's my first pageant, so everything is new for me.
Well, I hope you have a good journey. And good luck to your question. Your question will be coming from architect Shamsi Subsumli. Hello, Orango. Okay. Madali na yung question. Give me at least one secret that you are okay to share with all of us live tonight. Again, give me at least one secret that you are okay to share it with us tonight live.
This secret will be okay for me to share, but I think my family won't be okay with this. But to be honest, I'm wearing this beautiful gown from Gerald Yakat, but I don't have an underwear.